How to get $100 Target promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top you'll see the search box. Over there type in couponfollow.com and search for it. With that you will be directed to the official website of CouponFollow. Now at the top right you'll find the search icon. Click on it. At the top you'll see the search box. Over there type in target.com and search for it. With that, you will land to the Target coupons and promo codes page. Now over here, you're gonna find tons of offers. Target is notable for its focus on upscale, trend-forward merchandise at lower cost. Its stores typically sell general merchandise, including clothing, household goods, electronics, toys, and more, as well as groceries. Its name and logo refer to the center of the shooting target, and its canine mascot is named Bullseye. In order to get discount on those products and save your money, you can apply these coupons. You will be able to find great deals such as 40% off, $10 off, $25 off, and so on. If you're interested in any of the deal, click on the option of See Details. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon. If it is valid, you can copy it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon. If it is valid, click on Copy. For now, I have chosen $5 off on selected items. By applying the same process, you can grab other offers as well. Once you copy it while you check out on Target, you can apply this coupon code. If you want to use this coupon right away, click on Redeem at Target. With that, you will land to the official website of Target. Now log into your account and while you check out, apply this coupon. So that's all for this video. This is how you can get $100 Target promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.